You know those mornings where you wake up, you check your phone, and for a split second you wonder, wouldn't it be nice if money just came in overnight? Well, that was me a few years ago. I used to joke that I worked hard enough for five people, but my bank account just didn't seem to get the memo. Back then, you see, I was running a beauty business, early mornings, late evenings, constantly trading my time for money. And no matter how many hours I worked, if I wasn't physically doing the work, I just wasn't getting paid. Sound familiar? Fast forward to today, I earn from multiple income streams that run whether I'm on my laptop, cooking dinner, or watching a movie with my kids. Not because I'm lucky, but because I learned how to make digital systems and passive income work for me. And that's exactly what I want to show you today. I'm going to show you 5 easy passive income streams for beginners that actually works in 2026. So stay with me until the end because I'm going to share the exact one that completely changed my life and helped me hit my first $30,000 a month. Before we dive in, you're probably going to ask yourself, why would I listen to you, Lizelle? Well, I started mostly where you are right now. With no experience, I was Googling ways how to make money online. I had no clue how the online world even worked. All I knew was I couldn't keep on working as hard as I did without having anything left at the month. I knew I needed to do something different. And it's when I discovered the amazing world of digital and affiliate marketing that it completely changed my life. I've learned so much since then. I've got multiple streams working for me in the background that averages anything between $30,000, $40,000 a month. So when I say I started as a beginner, you better know I started as a beginner. And that's why I love sharing ideas. Not only that works, but I know it can completely change your life. So let's dive in. When I started online, I thought you had to be some kind of expert to sell digital products. But the spoiler alert is you don't. Digital products are things like ebooks, templates, checklists, planners, anything that helps someone save time, money, or frustration. The beauty of it is you create it once and it can keep selling for years. I remember when I made my first one. It wasn't fancy, okay? It was just a simple guide teaching other people how I was using social media to earn a daily income while working from home. And all I did was I put it together in a Canva, I uploaded it, and I thought, who would even buy this? And a few days later, my phone pinged. And my first sale was $27. Now, it might not sound like a lot, but man, it felt like freedom because that sale came in while I was still asleep. And that changed everything. Just don't overcomplicate it. You see, most people spend months trying to make the perfect product instead of just launching something small and simple. Perfection keeps you broke, but progress, that gets you paid. You see, digital products are the best teacher. You'll learn marketing, design, and copywriting by doing it once. And if you price it right and build a small audience, it can earn anywhere from $100 to several thousand per month. I'm going to give you a tip here. Just start with what you already know. If you've solved the problem in your own life, there's someone out there praying for that solution right now. Now, if you're thinking, Lizelle, that sounds great, but I don't want to create anything right now, you are going to love the next one because this is how most people make their first passive income without creating a single thing. Affiliate marketing, that was my stepping stone. I didn't have a product, I didn't have experience, I just shared what I was learning and loved. And here's how that looks like. You see, you recommend a product or a system you believe in. Someone buys through your link and you get paid a commission. There are a lot of companies out there that gives you an option to apply for affiliate commission. Think of Digistore24, Travel Start. If you love traveling, you can become an affiliate for them. My first commission was from an online course I took and I loved it. I just started sharing about it on my social media. And I remember getting my first sale. It was $50. But that was a light bulb moment. I can earn by helping others find what helped me. Just don't go and promote random things for quick cash. If you don't use it or believe in it, your audience is going to feel it. Affiliate income grows when people trust you, right? Not when you chase trends. I mean, if you go and you see an amazing movie, you would recommend it to your friends without thinking, oh my goodness, how am I going to sell this movie to them? You are just recommending something that you either loved, enjoyed, or that you see works for other people. Affiliate marketing builds 2 things: credibility and cash flow. You learn how to sell, communicate, and build your own community before you even have your own products. This was the best thing that could ever happen for my business because I had no clue. Learning from a system that was already working, having a product that was already selling and people were already looking for online was the best way that I could launch an online business because I didn't know a lot. So while I was learning how this was all working, I could still earn a decent income. And I made my first $100,000 within 7 months of starting. Affiliate marketing can be extremely profitable. I've seen beginners make $1,000 plus months just from sharing consistently. My tip for you here is pick one niche, like digital marketing, fitness, or mindset, and focus your content around helping that audience. Your results will multiply when your message is clear. And here's a little secret. You can combine affiliate marketing with this next one to make money even faster because someone's already done the hard part for you. Let me ask you this. If you could start a business today with products already done for you, would you? That's exactly what PLR and resell rights allow you to do. These are ready-made digital products you can rebrand, resell as your own, and you keep 100% of the profit. I remember the first time I bought a PLR bundle. It was a course and it had a few ebooks in. I just changed the colors, added my logo, and shared it online with my own story. In one weekend, I made more than my old beauty business made in 2 weeks. My tip for you here is just don't upload and go. Just add your own personality, record a quick intro video, include a bonus worksheet, or maybe a short story about how it helped you. People buy you, not just the product. You see, PLR gives you momentum, which is fantastic, because instead of spending months in building your own product, you start selling from day one. And once you understand what people respond to, you can build your own offers later. And you're also going to have a much better understanding of what it is that your audience really wants, because you have a product that you're already selling. And then you'll get ideas for your own product offers. Does that make sense? Look for PLR bundles that match your niche, like mindset, business, or lifestyle, and make it yours. Now, maybe you're wondering, how do I actually get people to see these offers? Well, that's where this next income stream becomes your secret weapon. So when I first posted online, I had no idea that content could literally turn into cash flow. I mean, I was just sharing my story, the messy middle of figuring it all out. But that's what connected people to me. One video would lead to questions. Those questions would lead to conversations. The conversations would eventually lead to sales. That is when I realized content is not just marketing, it's an asset. Think about it. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube let your videos and posts work for you long after you hit publish. One good video can drive traffic and sales for months, even years. I had a video that I literally posted like 3 months ago that's still bringing in leads and sales for me. That's the power of social media, because it's constantly on those platforms. Just don't get stuck comparing your beginning to someone else's middle. Everyone starts awkward. Everyone is nervous. Everyone is unsure in the beginning. Your imperfect video might be exactly what gives someone hope today. That is one thing that I've learned in this online business world. You see, in the beginning, I wanted to look perfect. I wanted to sound perfect, and I later just realized, if I'm going to wait for perfect, I'm just never going to get started. So I just started. And that is actually what related with people, because I'm a mom. I've got a lot of other moms that are also looking for extra income, that don't have the skills, the degree, or the perfect way that they look on a Saturday or whatever, and I just showed up messy. I just showed up. If I stumbled upon my words, I just showed up anyway. And that is what made me a lot of sales, because people related. They don't want perfect. They want real. This kind of content builds trust while you sleep. It's like planting seeds. Some grow fast, some slow, but over time they will add up. And every single view, every share, every comment can lead to your next customer. I'm going to give you a tip here as well. Pick one platform and commit to 90 days of showing up. Don't overthink it. Serve your audience first. The money follows service every single time. You see, there's an algorithm on social media that determines what people like and what they don't like. So what you want is your content to be pushed out to the people that are interested in what you offer. Because it doesn't matter you have 20,000 followers, but they're not your ideal buyers, because they're just going to like your content, but they're not necessarily going to buy from you. So the way you train the algorithm is for 90 days to be consistent online. That way the algorithm starts learning what type of people like your content, what type of people comment your content. And instead of pushing your content out to a sea of millions of people, they push it out to the right people. And once your content starts bringing in traffic, there's one way to turn that attention into automated income. And it's the same system that runs my entire business today. Now, this is where it all comes together. Digital products, affiliate marketing, PLR, content, they all feed into one thing, your system. A system is simply the structure that allows your business to make money 24/7. It's the landing page, the emails, the automation, all connected, working behind the scenes while you live your life. When I built my first one, it took me literally weeks. Now, with my digital magnetic system, my students can just plug in and have it done in hours. This is what allows me to work a few hours a day, spend time with my family, and still grow my income every month. Just don't try to do everything manually. That's a mistake I see all the time. If you are chasing messages, manually sending links, or posting nonstop, you will burn out. Let the system do the heavy lifting so you can focus on connection and creativity. And this is important because this is the breach between hustle and freedom. Once your system is running, every piece of content becomes a seed that leads to income automatically. My tip really here is use a done-for-you setup if you can, like DMS, because it removes the tech stress that holds most beginners back. And once you see that first sale come in while you're offline, it changes how you see everything. Because now you're not trading down for money, right? You are multiplying it. You're working smarter instead of harder. So those are the 5 easy passive income streams that actually work for beginners in 2026. You don't need to have them all. You just start with the one. One digital product, one affiliate offer, one video. I always say success isn't about being ready, it's about being willing. Willing to start small, willing to grow, and willing to believe that it's possible for you too. I'm telling you, if I can do it, that had absolutely no experience, you can too. Now go tell me in the comments which of these income streams would you start with first. I personally read every comment and I would love to know your plan. And if you're ready to skip all this overwhelm and like me, you just want to plug it to a done-for-you system and that can really give you cash flow from day one, go watch my free training. I'm going to link that down below.